everyone! So today I'm showing you my new fidgets I've gotten in the past week. So the first one I got was this one. It was a couple weeks ago. It was like the Pop-It bracelet, and yeah, so this is it. It's rainbow. Put it down. Then I got this and this. A little globble, I don't know. But it's also glow in the dark. So. And this purple mini pop tube. I also got a Pop-It with this, but I just traded. I'll show you what I traded this for. It was a Pop-It in my magnet rings, so I traded it for these. Actually, wait, what did I trade this for? I think this was all for that. I got these, 3 of these. I got a dough ball. It has a hole, that's why. So, but I already knew that, so, but I still really wanted it. So that's why I made her add. And then listen to this. Oh, headphone warning. Headphone warning. I'm sorry for your ears. RIP. So yeah, these are all the fidgets I got. Yeah. So yeah. So let me show you all these, which ones are which. So this one's the pole one. And just like a texture one, you know. This is like a recap. Okay, this I give a 9 out of 10 because I would give it a 10, but it has a hole, so that's why. This one is a 10 out of 10. Yes, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I swear, 10 out of 10. This is really good. There. I wanted to switch up the order. There. Now it's gray color, gray, yellow, gray, blue. Yeah. I give this a 10 out of 10. My pop tubes, this one an 8. It's still loud, but it's like really easy. I mean, I give this a 10 because it's like loud, but like it's still really easy. This one like 9 because it's kind of hard to pull and it's really loud. The other one's kind of quiet too. This, I give it a 10 out of 10 because it won't pop. If it pops, it's just air and it's really good. So 10 out of 10. This one I give I love this one because it's so good and it will not, it's really quiet. So listen, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but let me try. I don't know, but it's really good too. And it's a bracelet, so 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye. Oh, actually not bye. Don't leave. Actually, don't. I mean, yeah, don't. Okay, actually, I forgot to rate all of these. I was literally just told myself I'm going to rate all of these. So this one I give a 6. This one I give a 10. This one I give a sorry, my eye itched. This one I give an 8, and then this one is really loud, so I give it a 3. Yeah, so bye guys.